In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Checkout Buddy built a checkout customization app with Shopify extensions. We'll walk through installing the app from your Shopify admin, setting up your first customization, and connecting it to the checkout editor, all while highlighting where to look and what to expect so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, select Apps to view and manage everything you've installed. Use the search bar at the top of the Apps page and type the name of the app you're looking for to find it quickly. If you want to narrow results, choose Checkout as the category to focus on tools that work with Shopify's checkout. On the app listing page, follow the highlighted prompts to explore the details. Scroll through the overview to see what the app can do, browse screenshots to understand how it appears in checkout, and review feature descriptions and pricing. It's also a good idea to glance over permissions so you know what access the app requires to function properly. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will guide you through one or more confirmation screens. Continue by selecting Install wherever prompted to grant permissions and complete the setup. When the process finishes, the app will open inside your admin. Once you're in the app, choose Create a Customization. This is where you define how your checkout will look or behave. Think banners, messaging, or blocks that enhance conversion. After saving, select View your customizations to see everything you've created in one place and confirm it's been added to your store's checkout customizations. Next, open Analytics within the app to monitor performance. This section will populate after your checkout receives traffic, so if you're just getting started, it may be empty at first. Use it later to evaluate what's working and where to iterate. From there, launch the checkout branding editor to align colors, logo, and typography with your brand. Preview changes across the information, shipping, and payment steps to ensure consistency. Then choose Add App Block to Checkout. This opens the checkout editor so you can place the app's blocks exactly where you want them. Drag the block to the desired area, customize its settings, and save to apply. If you need help at any point, click Email Support inside the app. You'll see a contact email address. Select it to open your mail client or copy it for later. If the address appears more than once, simply click it again to confirm you've got the correct contact. That's it. You've installed Checkout Buddy, created your first customization, connected it to Shopify's checkout editor, and know where to monitor results and get support. Test your checkout,